How does space law prevent weaponization of outer space? Imagine a future where space is just as peaceful as our oceans or skies. You might wonder how nations keep space from turning into a battleground. Well, the answer lies in strong rules and agreements made by countries around the world. These rules are called space law, and they help keep space safe and peaceful for everyone. The main rule is the 1967 Outer Space Treaty. This treaty says no nuclear or other weapons of mass destruction can be placed in orbit or on the moon and other celestial bodies. It also bans military bases or testing weapons on these bodies. This treaty is like a big no-weapons zone in space, making it clear that space is for exploration and science, not war. Building on this, there is the 1963 Limited Test Ban Treaty. It stops countries from exploding nuclear bombs in space, which could cause serious damage or create space debris. Countries also talk about new rules like the prevention of an arms race in Outer Space Treaty. This treaty aims to stop countries from putting any kind of weapon in orbit or on the moon. It also discourages threatening or attacking space objects. Although this treaty is still being negotiated, it shows how nations want to keep space peaceful. International organizations like the United Nations also help. They promote rules and norms for responsible behavior in space. Countries are encouraged to solve disagreements through talks and negotiations instead of fighting. If conflicts happen, they can be taken to treaty organizations for resolution. These efforts help prevent misunderstandings that could lead to conflict. For astronauts and space missions, these laws are very important. They make sure space stays safe and free from military threats. Astronauts train to explore and do science, not to fight. Space law helps keep their missions safe by preventing weapons from being placed in orbit or on moons and planets. It encourages countries to work together and share space for peaceful purposes. In summary, space law keeps space from becoming a place for war by banning weapons of mass destruction, promoting treaties to stop arms races, encouraging peaceful use, and fostering international cooperation. These rules help protect astronauts and ensure space remains a realm of discovery and peace for everyone.